In this video, I will be showing you the Canva Magic Edit. Let's get started. First, I'll start by opening a new design from my recent templates to get my canvas ready. Now, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand sidebar. In the search bar, I'm typing car to find the right image for this project. I'll switch over to the Photos tab and select this green toy car to add it to my page. With the image selected, I click on Edit in the top toolbar to open the Magic Studio. From here, I'll select the Magic Edit tool. I'm going to select the entire car as the area to edit and click Continue. In the description box, I'll type change the color of the image into red and then click Generate. Now Canva is working its magic to give the photo a makeover. We'll wait a few moments while it processes the request and generates the new look. As you can see, the car is now a vibrant red. If I want to try another look, I can simply update the prompt. This time, I'll type change it into color blue and hit generate once more. While it's processing, you can see how easy it is to completely transform an object's appearance with just a simple text command. And there it is, a sleek blue version of the car. I'll click done to finalize the edit, and now I can resize and reposition my new image on the canvas.